Commercial and domestic laundry and linen service. Cannonvale, Whitsundays. Whitsunday Linen is a family-run linen service catering to a range of businesses in the greater Whitsunday region. Over the last 12 years, the owners have increased the laundry's capacity and the number of contracts they service. Whitsunday Linen primarily caters for the charter boat industry, local motel accommodation, and Airbnbs. Centrally located in a thriving commercial area, the sale comprises many assets, including a 2003 Toyota Hiace delivery van. Running successfully for 15 years with a loyal long-term client base, the business is ready for an easy handover to new owners. A two-person team can offer a full linen service with great potential for business growth by increasing marketing. The 120 square metre leased premises include a commercial laundry, kitchenette and office, and no linen service experience is needed. Whitsunday Linen is the perfect business for buyers seeking a strong, consistent income, room for growth, and a stunning lifestyle location. Attracting over 600,000 visitors a year, the Whitsundays is a thriving tourist destination with many new opportunities constantly opening up.